Hello friends, Sachin Gupta here, Senior Technical Analyst from Choice Equity Broking Private Limited, and this is the weekly podcast on commodity market, where we are going to discuss about the market outlook and we'll also discuss the strategy for the week. So let's start with the bullion. As in the bullion, if we talk about the last week, so yes, there was a lot of volatility in the bullion counters, especially in gold, as gold has started a week on a positive note, but after made a high of around 47,000, we have seen the further sell off in the counter and continued last 4 days. The price fall down from the higher levels, and on the Friday trading session, finally price made a low of around 45,611 and managed to close around 45,736 levels. So on the technical charts, gold is still looking weak, and we are expecting the more downside momentum for this week. On the downside, 45,000 is the immediate support level, and if price managed to sustain below 45,000, then we may see the further sell off till the level of 44,700 and 44,500 also. However, on the higher side, there is an immediate resistance which is around 47,000. So the 47,000 may consider as a resistance zone, and if price manage to sustain above that levels, then only we can expect the further upside momentum, or we can expect the further bullish momentum in the counter till the level of 47,700 and 48,000 levels. Now come to the silver, as silver has also started a week on a positive note, but after that we witnessed a further correction, and on the Friday trading session price made a low of around 66,505 and managed to close around 67,475 levels with almost 1,000 points upside momentum. However, if we talk about the technical chart, so yes, silver trend is still looking weak, and we are expecting the more downside momentum in the counter for this week. On the downside, there is an immediate support level which is around 66,000 levels, which is a immediate level. So if price managed to sustain below 66,000, then we may see the further sell off in the counter till the level of 64,000 and 63,500 levels. However, on the higher side, if price managed to sustain above 69,000 levels, so it may go up till the level of 70,000 and 71,500 levels. So on the higher side, if we talk about the major resistance, so yes, there is around 71,500 levels. However, on the downside, 66,000 is the immediate support level, and price managed to close below this level or break this level. So the breakdown will be there, and which may extract the prices till the level of 64,000. So for this week, either side breakout, if market breach that level, so either side breakout may expect. Now come to the energy sectors. In the energy, the crude oil prices were going up continuously throughout the week, as the crude prices open on a positive note and continue the upside momentum with the higher volume. On the technical chart, the crude oil prices crude oil overall looking bullish, and we are expecting the more upside momentum, as fundamental is continuously supporting to the prices, due to which the crude oil prices are going higher continuously. On the higher side, 47,000 and 47,050 is the immediate resistance for the counter. However, on the downside, 4,500 is the immediate support for the counter. So if price managed to close below 4,500, then only we can expect the further downside momentum. Otherwise, on higher side, first it may test the level of 4,700 and 4,750, which may consider as a resistance zone. If price sustain above 4,750, then the upside rally continue till the level of 4,800 and 4,850 levels. Now come to the natural gas. As natural gas prices is also open on the downside on Monday trading session and continue the downside momentum throughout the week. On the Friday trading session, it made a low of around 199, and after that we have seen the further short covering in the counter, and price managed to close around 205.70 levels with almost 1% gain. On the technical chart, the natural gas has formed a hammer kind of candlestick pattern, which is an indication of the reversal. For this week, we can expect the further upside momentum if price managed to sustain above 205 levels. On the downside, 199 would act as an immediate support for the counter. Or if price open on the Monday trading session, if price open or sustain above 205 and 206 levels, then again we may see the further pullback in the counter till the level of 210 and 215. However, on the higher side, 220 would be the resistance for the counter, or on the downside, 199 would act as an immediate support for the counter. Now come to the base metals. So in the base metal segment, like almost all of the commodities has traded into the positive territory and shown a good upside momentum throughout the week. If we talk about the copper, so yes, it has also started a week on a positive note and shown a good upside momentum. On the Thursday trading session, copper prices made a high of 737 with a higher volume, but after that we have seen the further profit booking in the counter, and it has shown the further sell off and made a low of around 718, and finally on the Thursday trading session the price closed near around 720.35 levels. Although on the Friday trading session the downside momentum has continued, and price slipped more than 2.5% on Friday trading session and made a low of 701.90, and finally price has closed near around 703.50 levels. If we talk about the technical chart, so yes, it has formed shooting star kind of formations on the Thursday trading session, and after that we have seen the further sell off on Friday trading session as well. And for this week we are expecting the downside momentum to be continued till the level of 690, and on the downside 685 levels. If we talk about the major support, so yes, there is a major support which is around 670 levels. However, on the higher side, if again price managed to sustain above 720 levels, then only we can expect the upside momentum till the level of 740 and 750 levels. Although for this week, this downside momentum we are expecting in the copper, or on the downside we can expect the target around 690 and 685 levels. On the downside, major support comes at 670 levels. Now come to the nickel, as nickel has also shown a good sell off on the Thursday trading session after a continued upside momentum. During the week, nickel has made a high of 1457, and after that the price shown a strong sell off with higher volume activities, and on Thursday trading session price declined from the higher side, and Thursday and Friday trading session, both the trading sessions, we have seen the further sell off in nickel counter, and made low of around 1360 on Friday trading session, and finally managed to close near around 1367 levels. So for this week we are expecting the downside momentum in nickel. On the downside, there is immediate support which is around 1330 levels. However, on the higher side, 1400 would act as a resistance for the counter. Thank you and happy trading session.